Okay, Assalamualaikum dear students. Good morning. Hope all of you are fine and doing well. Today we are going to discuss the questions that are given in our textbook of the last play written by William Shakespeare, The Tempest, Part 1. Our first question is, who was Ariel? How did he come to be Prospero's servant? We read the answer. Ariel was a spirit, a witch named Sycorax imprisoned him in the heart of a pine tree and died before releasing him. Prospero released him by the power of his magic. Ariel became Prospero's devoted servant. Our second question, who was Caliban? How did he look like? Caliban was the ugly son of dead Sycorax. Who was Sycorax? Sycorax was the witch. He had the features of a fish rather than that of a man. Here is the third question. What did Matilda ask Prospero to do when she saw the ship caught in the tempest? She pleaded him to stop the storm that had put the ship in danger. Question number 4. What did Prospero say he raised the tempest for? Prospero said that he had raised the tempest for his daughter's sake. That means Miranda's sake. Here is the question number 5. Why did Prospero leave the management of the state to Antonio? Prospero was fond of knowledge. He wanted to devote most of his time for secret studies, so he left the management of state affairs to Antonio. Here is question number 6. Who helped Antonio to seize the throne? Antonio's soldiers, the king of Naples, and other ministers who were bribed by the Antonio helped him to overthrow Prospero and seize the throne of Milan. Here is question number 7. What did Antonio's soldiers do? His soldiers dragged Prospero with his daughter out of a palace. They put them in a damaged ship to perish at sea. Here is the 8th question. How did Gonzalo help Prospero? Gonzalo was very loyal to the dethroned duke. Duke means king. He helped Prospero by storing the boat with some necessary items, fresh water, food and clothes, and his magic books. Here is the question number 9. Who were in the ship that was caught in the tempest? Antonio, the king of Naples, Ferdinand, the prince of Naples, Gonzalo, and the crew were in the ship that was caught in the tempest. What did Ariel remind Prospero of when Prospero mentioned more work? Ariel reminded Prospero of his liberty. Liberty means freedom that the latter had promised. Later, here is the Prospero. Okay, ji, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.